So welcome to this video designed to talk you through the new look IB Biology Diploma Paper 1B starting May 2025. So this paper sees a lot of changes. This is one of a series of 3 videos to help you through papers 1A, paper 1B and paper 2. So paper 1B. One of the key things about this paper is you're going to get it at the same time as paper 1A, so you need to manage your time. You'll see I have a higher level version here. Okay, this is just a specimen paper. For standard level students, the timing will be 1.5 hours. For paper 1B, there are 35 marks for higher level students. For standard level students, that will drop down to 45 marks. So you need to divide your time. You need to be really careful. Half your allowed time for paper 1A, half your allowed time for paper 1B. For standard level students, that's 45 minutes for each of the 2 papers. So let's have a look at this paper. One thing it says, you need a calculator. I would make sure you also bring a ruler to this exam paper. You'll also obviously have your pens. You're going to get 4 questions. Each of those questions is going to be based on one of the 4 themes. They won't identify the theme, but that's just to let you know. The sorts of things you're going to see, database questions, but they should be familiar. Either familiarity because you've done a similar experiment in class, such as an osmosis practical. Hopefully you've all done some osmosis practicals and perhaps drawn a similar graph to this. Or it could be you're getting data from experiments which you can actually apply your knowledge and understanding of the syllabus to help you with this. As you go through these questions, do look carefully at the command term and the number of marks available. If you do need an extra video on some of the more tricky command terms, let me know in the comments below this video. You will be expected to actually comment as well on the scientific method. So you need to know the difference between independent variables, dependent variables and control variables. You will have questions on this, so make sure you're going in prepared. There are questions here that tend to carry a few more marks than the old look paper had. So this paper is most similar to paper 3 section A, but more marks available, more questions as well, and there's more marks overall per question. So for standard level students, you're looking at between 5 and 8 marks per question, higher level between 7 and 10 marks per question, and some of these questions actually go up to 4 marks, which is a change. Having a look at this paper, question 2, this relies on your understanding of things like secretory vesicles, Golgi apparatus, but also other places in the syllabus where you've looked at radioactive labelling. So you're using your knowledge to interpret. You're not expected to have done an experiment like this. Now the images that you're going to get, obviously graphs are very common, but you could also be getting things like images, karyograms, electron micrographs, all sorts. So this is the rest of that paper, question 2, sorry. Here you can see this is a syllabus content question. You need your understanding. Looking at question 3 here, you see how we've got a nice image of rhizobium and it relies on your understanding of mutualism. Again, you've got data from an experiment, one that you're unlikely to have carried out, but you should be able to understand based on syllabus content. Again, there's always one question, 3 to 4 marks at the end of these. Last question on this one. Again, it's relying on syllabus content knowledge, Chargaff's work and the tetranucleotide hypothesis as well. So you use that understanding, you bring it to this question. At the end, you can see a couple of discuss questions and again, a 4-mark question. So managing your time, expecting something that's familiar and relevant to you. Let me know if this has been helpful. If you need more, let me know in the comments below. And obviously, if you'd like some similar content, I need to hear that. Thank you and very good luck with your exams.